$80,000 for a sofa is the price of a fine car, and people pay for the shape, the material, or for the actual labels, which are hidden deep inside the cushion anyway, so you can't even see them. Today we'll break down what makes up a price like that. I'm taking 3 new Minotti pieces and giving a totally honest review of each: seams, frame, padding, and base. For every item, I'll name 2 prices, what the brand is asking and what the same piece costs directly from the factory at the exact same quality, and you'll see for yourselves what you're really paying for here. Let's go. Our very first sofa is named Bézier, after the French mathematician who created those famous smooth flowing curves. And looking at this sofa, the name truly fits. Pure sweeping lines without a single sharp angle. Standing right here, it's just massive. I don't know if the camera really catches it, but honestly, if you run laps around this thing at home, you drop 20 pounds in a month. It's so huge that I'd say at least 15 people could easily fit here to watch a great movie together. Sitting here enjoying it, I'm thinking, what really captures me the most? It's the modular design. You can shape it to your space, add pieces for a large room, or take them away for a smaller one. And I love that the seams have no gaps or uneven spots. Sitting on it, you can't even tell it's modular. There's no drop at all. Every seam is perfectly aligned in height, width, and length. It all blends seamlessly together. Bézier, a 2025 release, designed by Brazil's Studio Marcio Kogan and Studio MK27. Its shape is inspired by the organic lines of Brazilian modernism. Asymmetric modules combine into a smooth wave or semicircle. It features the exact same module set and configurations as the main line. The filling matches our signature solution, layered polyurethane foam topped with down. The frame is crafted from solid wood and multi-layered plywood. A slim base at the bottom creates an effect of floating above the floor. And funny enough, the original hides its tags inside the cushions, meaning you don't even see them, yet you pay tens of thousands extra. Here, it's the exact same quality, just without tags. Everything is flawless. Now for the prices. The original composition costs around $70,000, while right here at the factory, it's $11,300. That's where the difference is. And while we move on, I'll hand it over to the founder of GLOBUS, Matvey.
Choosing the right furniture, lighting, and plumbing is just the tip of the iceberg. To make sure the whole process from order to final assembly goes flawlessly, a powerful mechanism works behind the scenes. We have 30 people on our team and everyone is responsible for their own specific area. My personal principle, developed over 15 years of experience, is an uncompromising, tailored approach to every single detail. We don't just deliver furniture, we provide a turnkey solution. You can find all the details in the application form on our website, and now Vlad will continue the tour.
Our second one is Vivienne, and this is all about pure comfort. Look at this armrest. The designers made it feel as if the armrest is hugging you. It seamlessly flows into this armrest. Now I'm going to test these hugs myself. How do they even do this? I'm honestly blown away. It feels so good. It really is super cozy. I don't even want to get up from here. If a factory does poor work, gets lazy, or skips details, it usually shows in the small things, like uneven stitching or messy seams. Let's look right here. We have this smooth line that flows straight into the armrest. Absolutely zero complaints here. Everything is neat. I'm showing you this on purpose because I've already done a visual check. Let's move to the cushions. By the way, the cushions are nice and heavy. Right here, everything is symmetrical and tidy as well. Let's peek inside. Opened up so smoothly. The zipper glides really smoothly. Inside, we have the filling. No odor at all. In here, everything is also extremely neat. No loose threads around. Zipping it up. This cushion is actually super heavy. Better not to have a pillow fight with these things. Also, right here, where the modules are connected, we have an invisible stitch, but it's definitely there. Here, you can barely even see it at all. It is crafted flawlessly. And another key feature of this sofa is its base. It looks as if it's floating in weightlessness because the legs are invisible. Watch me press down. No legs to see, yet it stays solid and doesn't even budge. I assure you, even if you jump on it, it won't move or flex at all. The secret is that the legs are cleverly balanced and hidden inside. Quite a neat feature. Visually, I really love it. Looks awesome. Vivienne, a 2025 release designed by the Italian-Danish duo Gamfratesi. At its core is a soft semicircular backrest that seamlessly flows into the armrests. A key feature is the refined floating base platform into which the seat cushion is partially recessed. There are no traditional corner legs. The base relies on recessed transverse aluminum profiles, shifted toward the center and hidden in the frame's shadow. Because of this, the soft, semicircular base visually floats above the floor. Materials and craftsmanship fully match brand-level standards. And here's its twin, identical except for the upholstery. As for the price, the original white model costs around $35,000. Right here at the factory, it's just $4,900. And this beige model is $4,500. The difference is colossal. And rounding out our lineup is this third sofa. It's called Coupé. It's a bit of a throwback to the 60s and 70s. Just look at these plump rolls right here. It looks super rich and bold. The backrest, the armrests, everything is so voluminous and rounded. Truly a nod to the 60s and 70s. And this deep tufting, known as capitonné by the way, gives this sofa real character. They're placed along the entire sofa with total symmetry. Every single one looks like a twin, and that already speaks volumes, proving the craftsmanship is meticulous and the sofa is top quality. But now I want to run a test drive. Drop onto this sofa in a complete free fall to test just how painless it really feels.
Today, a young guy created a shockwave by taking a hard hit onto the sofa.
Honestly, it felt like landing right on a soft cloud on these plump rolls. These rolls are super lush and solid, loved it. Really soft sofa, pressing down with all my strength. Exceptionally springy, the filling inside is super dense. Clean, top quality work. Coupé, a 2025 release designed by Giampiero Tagliaferri, an homage to 60s aesthetics and mid-century modern style. Key features are the bold, voluminous rolls of the backrest and armrests, plus deep capitonné tufting on the cushions. The structure relies on a recessed plinth base. The supports are set deep underneath the frame. Showroom upholstery, micro-velour. Oh right, almost forgot. The original will cost around $70,000, while right here at the factory, the price is $8,900. 3 sofas, 3 famous names, 3 prices reaching $50,000, $60,000, and $70,000, and the exact same items of the exact same tier for a fraction of the cost, straight from the factory right here. I climbed under the cushions, checked the seams, the stitching, the base, and here's the verdict. You pay for quality, and the quality is identical. You pay for the logo, which the brand hides inside the cushion anyway. Is it worth it? That's up to you. And if you want furniture like this for yourself, send us your interior project and we'll calculate everything for free. You'll see your savings right away. Links down below the video. Drop a comment with your favorite Bézier, Vivienne, or Coupé. And we at GLOBUS curate turnkey interiors straight out of Foshan. See you in the Celestial Empire. Bye-bye.